inside his own blue line. Pettersson through center. Here's Boeser scores! Pettersson was checked. The puck deflected right to Boeser, who went post and in. And the Canucks with 8:12 to go have tied the game at 2.
Elias Pettersson starts this play with the defense back in his own zone. And then the good goal scorers, like Elias Pettersson, the puck follows you around. There's Pettersson, defense back in his own zone. Now he's going to carry it himself. 1-on-3, puck follows him, goes to Brock Boeser. Now look at that shot. He looks up and he's got some room. Last one, he didn't even look. This time he looks and he goes high glove side, down on one knee. Now that's the Brock Boeser shot that you're looking for.
I said post, and I think I heard the back bar.